again. So now I'm going to take off my brown boots. So I'm wearing a boots today. I'm just outside looking around for vegetables and fruits. I cannot find anything there. So now I'm going to take off my boots and I'm gonna show you guys. So taking, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna park my car properly. I parked there because there's more light. And now I'm going to park in the dark. It's dark. And then we're here. Thank you for watching, everyone. Love you all. I'm walking in the garden and wearing these boots. So I'm gonna wear this one for driving outside. So I'm gonna try on and take off the shoes and walk in the garden. I'm going to show you my garage update. I'm gonna put roofing later on, but for now I just want to have a space because my old garage is small, so I cannot really park properly there. That's the gate and that's the entrance. So I think that's all for now. I walk to the my hips. I'm gonna show you that my heel stuck in the cement. Look at my heels. And this is the garage. And I'm gonna park my car. I'll do my vlogging here, walking with different outfit and heels. And then I'm gonna park my car I'm gonna park my car here. So, by next year, this is ready. So, I only have to save money for my car. But then, oh my gosh, it's raining. Okay, let's go, guys.